Today I'm going to show you how to get live Quora Ads data directly into your spreadsheet using Coefficient. Once you've installed Coefficient, launch the extension and select Import From, and then select to add a connection. From here, you'll search for Quora Ads, select Connect, and select Authorize. Review permissions and select Accept. Once you've authorized, you can start your first import by selecting Start from Scratch. And this will open the import preview, and this is where you select what data you want to import into your spreadsheet. With this connector, you can import metrics on ad data, campaign data, ad set data, and leads from lead gen forms. So to get started, I'm going to select campaign level metrics. We'll select account, and then we're going to hit preview. From here, you can select all of the fields available, or you can decide to curate the import exactly how you want it and select what is more meaningful for your import. So I'm just going to select a few. I'm going to select campaign name, campaign ID, the account name, account ID, cost per lead, cost per click, click-through rate, and spend. You can also select the drop-down here to move your columns in the order that you want to have them refresh in your spreadsheet. So once you've configured your import exactly how you like, select Import. And now that your data is in your sheet, you can set up an auto refresh schedule on an hourly, daily, or weekly basis so that your data always stays up to date. Now that you know how to get started, you can begin pulling in your own Quora Ads data to analyze your ad or campaign performance alongside other platforms. So we hope you give it a try, and thanks for watching.